month bi aso ama waka say month we dey mean jemiska ana say we too much am say ono 8 months bi ansa na obaji ni pay da me nye ni say sad na si wo na esco member bi atena ho say at the end of 8 good months ansa na wahwe say wo muntu ya neka. So if say who being the president nankasa untumi ma waketu ya nkemu for 8 months esi then and do ye adwuma under you do obo ya ma de ya wonso wo ye no nsa ko wa because if no football untumi ma ye football president. So what I say, if no football, untumi be football president, and also football no mu, and no ane feed you, unti nipa no ye juma na wo feed you no, nipa no untu ya neka. Enti si nipa nko ye juma beng na sisi a wonso won ye den we juma wonso ekwa no ejuma ne nko so. Enti referees ni dey enti say pa ho a month and even a day. One make sure say what the structures, proper measures be to place. Every referee is paid at the end of the month. Yempe 2 months and 7 months bia na later na a whole more by betna say money referees equal terms say at the end of every 3 months mo be ma won say at the end of every 7 months we debi interne na kire say na football na yan normalize wo Ghana ha so far yenim say ye clean no na kire say still na entumi enye clean see ye keep on say ye ntu referees kan ya dia and where ye dey treat ye referees no so no wo mo enhwe won asem kan. Esi den na eti say referee oka akodi akensi no home team a obo home no and eti say ope be a referee beda sometimes Ghana anyoma bi esisi eduane a referee bedi eye club a obo home no nti ene eye Okoman FC and yerebo ye ni dreams na ebo na referee aba eti say Okomanfo na yen yesam pe bebi wa ha e ma referee da na yen ni ye feed referee na wo sa asem we ye nipa wo nti nyoma bi wo ho a ye mfam for say debi ye nipa and ye nyina ye nimu Yesu eni nyoma bi a eye eni sika ya de bi ebo manwa ana say be kan nipa ho pe na asesa bribia enti say wo so Okoman FC fo ana wo mo ma referee aduan na wo mo nhwe referee a masa entwa kwanza nhwe kwemanya enye fe nti saa nyoma we referees de wo mo nhwe wo mo ye papa na eno so enyoma nso no yen den entumi enkoso. The next one eke me hwe eni no match fixing na ekoso ewo Ghana football and this season misusumi we say game a yen normalize game under the former president yenim say pepepe yo enimu the fair and the fairness and the fairma ewo mu no the integrity no enhye da eni game ni mu enti na ye dey bo eni the former president echikwan no Kurt by no mimu ni say under Kurt wabeye no west wabese no kra because eye under Kurt okreku na yen ehu this kind of performance eni player ebe dan nani a kire nipo mu mpan mienu na wa hye go segum na ene disciplinary committee ukwa ene lawyers awodro akese na yen afre wo ma wo mo e ka match fixing ho asem. And sadly, minjendi say ebi esi ewo Ghana Premier League mu da until this current season ayebowie. Enti sa nyoma we no going forward mi hu say inscribe aba. Womo mpanifo atena se ahyehye emre bi ahyehye kwan bi a womo so befa so ede a monitor ede a check sa match fixing no from the clubs womo the clubs no any players nankasa womo so involving betting no womo ebe hwesa nyoma we nyina na the necessary punishment so wa ye be so mu no eno so entumi enko enye den emfa ema won ewo because enei me sheda enhu the echo by interlies any Ashanti Gold any bebre sisi enye even we nku Ashanti Gold de nko but akoye say yenga circulate ade no abesi Ashanti Gold so ana yenga free players bi ni interlies game nko but ye kan enei goals bi a etoto atenemu a na emfata esi bebre doma ebisi pepepe but enne ehu behia se wo mudi nioma begu akwem na wo so yetumi ahwe se sa nioma we nyina no enya ade going forward into this season no and sa nioma we nyina tu betwa because in the first year nyina ye de beche eneke tokreku se eye maiden edition eye ni ogra edition eye Premier League ono so etumi boy and for the second time if say sa nioma we SNCC a meaning say ne competency no ebetumi aba forma ye behu se ejuma oye no enso enye den enso eni elho no mo nti sa nioma we wo mo nso ebe check elho the fourth one no eye injustices in our game. And Ghana Premier League no bia we hwe bibia yi we hwe ni no ubemu say injustices be ekoso elho ana selective justice enso ni nyina etumi ekoso eke and enne player A and I say team B player ekoye sadia kwanga ye faso e de kasem no e different from kwanga player B and I say team B ni player ebeye whereby a similar issue ana esiye and then say AK me de mensa wo weni now de mbeko jail for 2 years say obi imran Ghana mran e da ho na ye de running football no Ghana mran da ho say wo de wonsa wo obi ani na ko 2 years esi den na Kwame de nsa wo obi anu no ko 2 years na kwesi de nsa ko wo obi anu no so ye be ko 2 weeks so what I say e band sa
yeah ni nyina no nsa wo wani o ya da do nsa wo ni anu so na sentence so you go 2 years you go 2 years anya sentence
dabi eno e ho na e basa na injustice na tumi abemu no
to the extent that do nsa wo ye na esifa ho en and the extent that do nsa wo ye na esifa ho en
bi wo ho ye pepepe bi wo ho ye pepepe eno na mere che say sa ni o ma no yade a ene because utumi kan kire me say coach bi ene coach eko make comment na sa coach no ye be ma no ye be fine no na ya man maybe too much band na ontumi mba touchline na coach bi nso de obetumi akwa to the extent say obebro ni we ni opponent manager na sa eno ho asem no de akoye breezy one time eno kra ye use be ye over 4 months ni ade ansa na ye kan but the ono ni eko make post match interview within 2 days 24 hours na ya kan asem na wie na ni ono no opponent football etumi bro ni opponent manager na eno no 3 months ni enka ho asem ye na ono be ba na punishment e dia ma na ye kunya bi a utumi me kan kire mi say wo dia wo ye different from because mra
my enko ahoma no so na ene madam Adwoa Opoku enwie ye ne wie na ye meto aso ofia ono e PRO ade ma brekum tells madam
sorry na
okay adwuma no international na me bisa no me say ene no so far player recruitment no and assigning so no brekum tells ma make say and obetumi de omudi atudwa
edin de make me fan tudwa my management in Makwan say fan tudwa almost at the right time no omudi be recruitment in ya yebi and the men can that ya yebi pa but just as I told you management they holding on at the right time they didn't have it back. I should look out for a new breakroom Chelsea. Yeah. And you know
but no obi bisaza say ne man make it top notch signing spa.
Yeah, make it central management in holding on at the right time. Okay, I was unveiling back. Also other teams so they were unveiling and stuff. See I'm say if you look at the Ghanaian Premier teams now, we all want to do things at the right way. It's breaking Chelsea, so no. You're there really players, yeah, recruiting at the right time. I will invite you. Trust me.
Na ben unveiling e bana me mo home.
And I'll make us say, meow. Me boy home. Me from.
Where from you?
Definitely before 29.
Yeah. I said 29 so next week. You until nanka. Aja. Na players players na ma fa no Ghana ha no mo bobo na mo fa hu fiama na ni
Ghana ha
ebi fi kokoko won
mistake at the right time yeah mama swanti right at the right time
na go obi ka se anga bi akotoko players e mo pa mo ben wo twe bi am ko fa bi
oh sir no
be ka
o me tie mo
ba san wo twe na ka munya bi wo ma ka mo fe won
kwai mo
ayi kotoko players ya mo buja mo kwan
oh it's not necessarily say kotoko players what them say do signing so player we call it's all over so it's not necessarily one team if you are penny players and now the whole Ghana if you leave it to you for one foul we can pick any player not necessarily say kotoko
but me afa bi o Lagos City skura na madam
hey if you are doing Kodiamenko we are in Demenko I would try at the right time
money Lagos City so asama
oh JB oh there me say baby I would make cool Any team, yeah, you're fine.
Oh, okay.
Breakum Chelsea, you should just watch out. Yeah.
But
So this season is going to be a different season altogether.
Namunya has players be a mumpe.
Team, yeah, what kind of you taking players? If you are me or Division 1 Super Cup, neighbor, we will share players, no ball. We can pick players from anywhere because we have stars. We're Ghanaian Premier League name. So what I say. See, team BR players is welcome. Yeah, to see, yeah, sister will be come. So,
my sister, my family, you know, has any credit.
Oh my goodness. I know many say, oh, now walk.
I sent it to me besides no
credit. At the right. I thought, me say.
Oh, okay. If no credit, but one auntie, and I hear no credit.
Well, if you are not meant to.
But if it's my band, say something from you know.
A band class, yes, it's okay, no problem.
But him. Somebody needs to have a fast place.
Don't need him cry. Players. Oh, call my youth, players. Bonnie, man, Bonnie.
Oh, Bonnie, him, Sentinel. Say, Buffer players, me know how to cross and young Bonnie, and
Oh my goodness!
And then I'm not for complaining. Oh, Brekum, Golden City Park and all. You sit there for the pitch now, Bosso Bono, and yet, what's this, you know?
When they say licensing committee, or more around, yes, or more by, they saw some things that went wrong. So we did to your name. So we've worked on it.
Okay.
So you're fine. We'll start the season. Wow, we should pitch, no. Everything is okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So this time we are well prepared.
Wow. Now, my first match, you know, movie.
What's your first match then?
My first game of Premier League, you know, movie.
Why not?
Wow.
Why not?
Wow.
We are winning hands down. 3 points is assured.
Wow.
We'll take every game one at a time. It's assured. You win. Of course, nobody goes to the battlefield to lose. But looking at the signings, we come Chelsea. I wouldn't even say the top 4. For me, I would go for the trophy.
Now it's a Brekum Chelsea 2021-2022 Premier League, you know.
Inshallah.
Inshallah, move him. Now, Mija Wamawakwe, o final words, and send Ben Abakache, Brekum Chelsea supporters, our Ghana.
Yeah, I'll tell them, say, this season, it's a new season, new records are going to be set. New champion is going to be outdoored. And see, everybody, Brekum, I will be a rally behind Brekum Chelsea. Accra or wherever you are, just come rally behind the team, and together we could all win the trophy that we are looking out for. We are in the COVID era, so we are the various stadia protocols observe Bibia, come, so that to be Ankasa Uba Brekum saying see and I'll call saying see. This is a new Brekum. Watch out for the big bright, the blues.
Me producer say only any the papa na oh yeah miss and I miss
my
say me na say onya opinion na only Okoman 97.1 radio din komo.
Oh, Kwame Amponsah Addi. I would want to come to the studios one day.
Sure. Ebe na producer no arrangement na face no.
Sure.
Okay,
of course. I wish you all the best.
Thank you so much. And you know, Madam Adjoa Opoku, ono PRO, and so no etimi Edma Brekum Chelsea. and also you to me any the deal come very interesting conversation grab ya.
Oh yeah.
On say ma dey ma wo hia
me Mbapa
oba osanye PR adwuma
Mbapa o Ghana football mu de wo musu
osanye PR adwuma o ye PR adwuma
wo mo bra mo wo mo ba e be ma interest no nso e wo women football nso yen ani akọ ye aha nti no wo mo bra mo
so kasa bo team go sa PR adwuma no ye ni ye ho o ye ni ye obo adwuma
no ma no irade me ni je wo mo ye
video ye PR adwuma na me pe no
yeah
on best of the betu ya
onim kasa
oh nene so ade
onim kasa
nene so ade
yeah okay
ntino rapem na
me fenti na the selective justice wo agude ni ma ye nyina yetumi witness bi last season etwem no ya ade ene make say no so ye 1 point me di ewie me 4th point no me di ewie say nei 30 years okreku ene Premier League board ene womo ene womo sawo Ghana Premier League me say womo be put measures and solutions in place say ye benya a smooth running league womo nyina enye sapepepe na ene ye mpese enam team we ya odi entina we say team we ya odi entina judgment we call say ye mpesa we ni bi o na no the justice in our game the fair any fame no enso into me enkoso e the Ghana Premier League e ba be sha se no
right entino club ya sante ana motene ka chire ni sema and for the upcoming Ghana Premier League onum say if you day ni no na watch 29th of October and Ghana Premier League enso no e sha se enso Ghana ha asamo na yedi hu koma preparation wise and the clubs am I ready FA PLB and Ghana League Clubs Association almost am I crowd na also to me at the wajincha ba make us what's up and I face SMS 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 and WhatsApp any SMS you be sorry so also bit me akonya na wa frabum na emo ko Facebook so a ye twa gumu o tin Facebook no enso no Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio 97.1 Sanso na YouTube no me se kwa subscribe page no subscribe won so me subscribe no pe bonza ye parang say abagum say wa subscribe ya no interview ni ado nyina no betuma nya kwanya na so no what me asho Okoman 97.1 ye programs ahodo ni nyina also kwa obetumi afollow en enso ho Sanso na Instagram and so Okoman 971 Okoman 971 our Instagram also obetumi follow alright
Chabo
mama 7 minutes mama 7 minutes now the boy so atnas wa na itino yenko
Chabo last season as an apparent for the din komo bi last season this was Ghana Premier League 2020-21 season
now you say statistics from last season how dey know
top 50
okay
back up to 50
yes
50 yes
yes you know my top 10 top 10
okay
right how heavy
mami tia 90 komo 90 or komo so tie se kwamo so okay na tutu onu so etie tutu kuapem o monitor show no
tutu ye kuro
onu anga se friend tutu
no tutu
no na o tie show no nti ma etia no
okay
chemo first one here Podo Prince of Ayoboboko and the Diana Stars the first player see be man red card in the Ghana Premier League.
Prince Podo
of
Diana Stars.
Ebusuadras. Yes, Amotia.
Yes.
The first player. And Omina Sharks, the only teamer Osha Krobia Kumasi Santroko last season, home and away.
Wow.
Krobia Kumasi Santroko, Omina Sharks, the only team Osha Kotoko. Utiepa, the Osha Kotoko.
Who's team Osha Kotoko? Home and away.
Omina Sharks.
That is the last season Kotoko team is home and away.
Yes. Omina Sharks when they break that record no. Osha no home away Obabe show.
Wow. Dr. Papa ko see no team.
Yes, ni team no. Osha, yes.
Omina Sharks.
Omina Sharks. I don't know 2. I don't know.
Number 3
ni Abrantia DLC Taylor, Carolina United player no. Osha last season 2017, Hans Kofi no Siaka Nima Ashgood. 17 goals. But a year 2020-21 season no, Abrantia DLC Taylor, Carolina United, 18 goals. I'm a record no overcome just a goal. And what the panel. 4 Abrantia Abbas Ganyum Osiakan Edma 11 wonders. One player was say goals do pa ever say ya obo game we obese go against opponent obese go into 6 goals our league no record holder. Anna 5-1 as if the fifth one a branch Dini Steven Amankona, the first player to score a goal in the Ghana Premier League. Say yes, starting Premier League, you're starting in the player first goal.
Steven Amankora.
Yes,
Okoko. Okay.
And
the first match.
The first match was first goal. Diamomo. See a part say BBC. Yes, it was a BBC. What you say BBC. And a Krobia Kumasi Asantroko. Krobia Kumasi Asantroko. Hey, this season. And I say last season. Wambo home match Bia Kumasi Babara Sports Stadium. Yes. Indeed. What you say? Into this season, Obebo game Kumasi Babara Sports Stadium. And Chamo set one in here. Ebubo kwa Deni Dwarfs, Ebuswan Dwarfs goalkeeper Razak Issa. The only goalkeeper Ose go with the Ghana Premier League.
Razak Issa.
I
don't know do baby no.
Yes, I don't say yes. And see, I don't know. Anna mame jump we no. Now we said that you crucial. 8-7 in here. Yes, Abrante Deni Prince Okreku.
Yes. Formerly of Dreams FC. Ever since called 11 Wonders. Okay.
And the only player I asked son 3 times substitution 3 times off bench Abba she go 3 goals. The first game against Kotoko. On the player of bench Abba she go etia Kotoko. What you say Kotoko fund the boom.
Kotoko some boom.
Kotoko was here boom. And I brought the other Richard Impong. No see academy Elmina Sachs. The only player former Krobia Kumasi Santroko. The only player I was say corner kick last season. Corner to go.
Then you say to corner nefi position about down.
Yes.
Ebe share post mo.
Yes. And now Osha mefa we last season. Yaka cricket score line. Yava see a game now goes do apie. And only House of Folk SBCM 96-1. And Abobo Kwantene Wafa. House of Folk SBCM 96-1.
Hey.
Say your game goes to Draba
last season.
Or say became 96-1.
The only team I work Ghana last season. Almost me say goes to
and your mongwa. Team say goes.
No.
Bobo Kwandino Wafa. SM Diama. 5-4.
5-4. Most goals in a single game.
Yes.
Has a 6.
Yes, 6. It is about 7. No. And Bobo Kwandino Wafa. SM Diama. 5-4.
No, it's a 9.
9. No.
It's a goals. Most goals in a single game.
Yes.
Hey, Wafa. Any information no.
House of Folk.
There be 5-4 no. Wafa ni for the boy.
Wafa ni Mediama.
Omo boy they producing 9 goals.
9 goals.
And a house any became producing 7 goals.
And as good as Inter Allies 7-0.
Wow.
Yes. Inti ano enkomo eso no.
Then say as good and the only club.
Yes.
Ghana ha omo timi ese most goals in a single game.
Most
goals in a single game as good. If you about how to folk.
Yes.
6.
Yes. And our goalkeeper last season on a red card. Solomon Agbesi of Dreams FC. The first goalkeeper to send off in a game. See a ball game.
Now what did red card?
Yes, we did red card. And the Abrante Solomon Agbesi.
Now open clean sheet amami.
Clean sheet no a dorsal. Because if you answer started. And the
you fancy fridge man.
Yeah, you fancy fridge. We teams are almost book game. Our goals to do a piano.
Okay.
I made friends of us a cricket score line. Yes, it's a car cricket. Almost goals in the yes. And the other one be this. And no come on no. As times go so the Premier League clubs no. Signing some in the beba. Any a year you must say venues are teams now. Do be see a kind in here no. You didn't need beba until you starting to see no.
Yes. The papa way him.
Yes.
You want beba.
Beba.
You see a boy and what they try to Ghana Premier League. Something yeah.
Yes.
It's no. And I say my any something I say you know. Tom Kopimo 29 now. That's the facts and figures, no. To me, they go and so to me.
Sure. What's the only time Mediama the first club to score Kotoko? Go against Kotoko. Mediama the first club.
That is the Kotoko. Almost 30 season. No,
yes. Mediama break that record, no. And you know, even see when say okay, la wate di you are na no yen.
Oh, some can.
Yes, oh, some can.
Kalamai.
Yes.
A good from ball. The boy.
Zamidino no.
C'est Kalamai. Go from
La Bundia. Mate.
We very fine.
I'm just here for. Na me no say.
Okay.
Na send your group for so me soro ya eye. PhD kroma which
I know what you.
Oh yeah, no grand there wo.
Yes so. Ayi Ozana sa.
Say yes or the sa. They did that room for that way chire no. Aja mo won say there bi. Nipa wo do nti eyi echi na otem. Enti waka mate. on ya say na me charity for na mention come back as far as Ketokreku remains GFA boss. Oman Ghana mu no House of Folk be win league da.
Em come say na who make on frivolous allegations.
As far as Ketokreku House of Folk
e na ojina so ade kasa so. Da wa so won.
Oh, anya da maso amahu. As far as Ket GFA penye o Ghana no.
No boy, I think say this comment men so men watching assign na wa apologize to Ketokreku. I say you're not being fair to Ket the Ghana football association.
America ka just say Ketokreku 4 years ne so no say we need GFA penye ni biwa. Ghana mo from football persons ni football wan me di mu nyina mo ho ya. No catch
and all there no go to match about you but me can ni how can you me say Chisan ni to us.
Okay. Yeah, okay. The chema proof watchna.
All proof.
And
you know say no Okoman Global Sports. I know Okoman 97.1. Yeah, chi e go fuja.
So many proofs. Yeah.
The proofs Okoman Global Sports. I know Okoman 97.1. Me am tie I know Krobia the writer. Yeah, how can wow personal.
This is the start here. This is the start here. This is the start here. The start here. No matter how a man for people to have splendid performance, science is on by here has best for you. Yeah.
If you born has born, I know
the born has a born.
I say or you bias.
And you born has a born. More like
just in the comment.
Number can say writer.
Comment. Make catch us say Okoman 97.1.
Number can say writer be nyache.
Ya chi enwa fi asema okan ye ni mu.
Number can say writer be nyache ba sim jafa ko jan. Ochiwa ma ka say Kotoko odo enye first time a team bi ye bisa. Ma has ye bin has wa more matches ni bebre eye fie obo away kakra. But team wa bo away matches, wa bo away wa more background home. Na otimi atoso mienu. Na nyo odasani adawroma ankene si ye nka ye hunu sa
odasani bay
yeah enti yemo right about
so dey see here
oh me na me say as far as okwabrane bi te head of affairs to a particular place called GFA no yeah I say enti alo kache black king for say yomo nko akuna Nigeria for higher che enti yomo nko no
the boy allegations now make you
know TV so so oka
there be me can also kwabrane head of affairs make you
yeah yentiga na hana yema akwabran for say womo hwe na serve disabled for nko ball you go gina park no ba ka say pass me they did make kan enye hu bi bebresa onipa sometimes onipa ho no mo I say what me can say nani pa be say why na kan ye no me so cham de nchechim beba
o the proof and the
nchechim me cheche say me chema say me proof
o evidence
urade nyankopon
audio and video and picture evidence
what are you talking about
o evidence
what are you talking about
okay and you know keep your evidence to yourself not number what's what me edin nchechim but you know mama ma abujafo atefo akoda na obebem
na me ka kotoko asem
ni obebem mama na say phone lines no obebem 0270 191 971 0270 191-971. Also wait to my fraba. Now also wait to me at the watching chair and so to me about the Ghana Premier League. So far preparation eguso only say utim no preparation or kosoro and no form what's a Kwame Amponsah sonka Piaro and my to folk or children out of folk omugu amwaso e china number 2 at the free Ghana ha akopima Morocco and Grandchester Bay and you know o catch how to folk team no na fin so no almost so to call any victory no. And so, at me about UEFA Champions League. And the match is between Chelsea against Malmo, Southampton, and Manchester United against Atlanta, Barcelona, and the Dynamo Kiev. But Juventus and the Zenit. Maybe I remember fat in Africa. Also, over to me at the Wajin Chaba 0270 191 971. 0270 191 971. Also, over to me at the bar. WhatsApp, SMS, or the bar. You can Samsung Facebook, and also you bet me I can kind and so no at me area ma Theophilus Latte. Okay, mami feel be wa. Hello. Good afternoon. Bacho dini baby afrefi.
Good afternoon, sir. Man, the catch you.
Bacho mami tio.
Mumu ni my family. Emo abita mudu mai amankona o share good ya de na ni ejisane man ho pa. Na asma me sese me catch house for this. Okwa wokomu won koma hoden so se ko sebia kan ho won ko ye won adire so okwa kudishe obi kuro mu de wo ni defense bia nti yire wo so wo kwa ko hye wo bi na would the kind of back sanction be or go popo. That's why I make name Crawford.
Yes, so yeah, that's it. I mean, on Facebook, Theophilus Latte. I say, okay, good afternoon. Please tell the writer that he's heavy. And big up to you guys. All the boy, the film, and you know, you know what we are talking about. Okay. Matthias here. The boy, now, so I know what I'm talking about. Cats should be very vigilant. Thank you. And also, I didn't hear about Samson and Eric Tay. I say listening to live at the Manfi Total Filling Station. And also, it's me about the boy now still can't but still 0270 191 971 0270 191 971. Frebrem, that thing's super chin watching Ghana Premier League. Let's take a chance here.
Wait to me, and your baby still a chance of.
Why? The boy, you are not being fair to me on the show. Please.
I said, maybe she afforded to Oma.
And
okay, and then now 140. 2 boys the one. As I say, Commander Santo Kotoko, I think say season by starting your boy Hodra or your Dubai. I think say House of Folk there only problem be because to share African Cup. I say now we need 2 matches. I think say a very good. Now share team was about friendly matches more recently. Ghana Premier League me ever started. I think the man my monitor was King Faisal on one ball a friendly matches. I just I think second one be I think Sharks almost on bomb there. Omo but Kotoko yeah no and that's what I say yatina play mu akọ obi team bi ani Ghana right on Toronto na season no kwa we normal facts and figures now what you have say team o tina play mu yeah, right and Toronto, no Bamaka.
So then, Ghana Premier League, no.
I say, yeah, starting preparation.
And yes, statistics of preparation.
Preparation. What is your preparation? Team of 2 coin. What is your team of 2 coin for your money?
And then FN organize here.
And you FN organize here.
You been organize here.
And you category na die finano.
Me say FN organize.
And you category na die finano. And you know boss certain team of fuck up no.
The boy go take you off the show. And you know you the best na face so yeah so Kwame Amponsah final words yes.
Yeah bomb pie na yang ahwe ni mu say no Ghana my one so no the Black Queens, you know, woman so to me about more than a respectable result coming into the second leg, you know, Ghana Accra Sports Stadium, you know, the nation's Wembley this Sunday, you know, woman so to me then the qualification nod, you know, ahead of the Super Falcons, Nigeria, Maba, and then. One more AC I think say
3 p.m.
Yeah. We have some few minutes, you know. Now game no to me a kick off away.
Yeah, we show more the best.
Nigeria. The environment. Send a woman APA Lagos Amontin. So now one more any number na sasana F. Inti yeshenim say no. Yebe wish you all the best na no. Messi Tego Kweku. On also able to me abwana the tactical brain no. Yankopon endum bi ewo football mu na eneno de odi begu akwan mu bia nso no enko true na yenya wi no ewo Nigeria
right
Zuba menya no tese nyame adomo chena Kotoko ene bobo kwante
Facebook no bo Black Queens omu diasa
omu
nam krom na Nigeria sam se Morano osoro yes Morano osoro twe ne da bo say
unu obi kokko na opanyi ka chete wontimi na ne oye ni
okay baby ya be show mu
Black Queens baby ni
Chaboni baby report ni Kotoko ene La Liga Academy in Dubai ene botio omne La Liga report eba benye confirm here omne La Liga Academy in Dubai nkofo no 8 ni nie tio 8 years 6 years 10 years 12 14 16 18 19
right as I say
super no
what's it called according for
omne La Liga Academy in Dubai
Grab yaze
reporter eba
team of no
yes me from a credible source no say one mo be ball the tibia one be ball last game
yes,
to me return to Ghana Friday into no yeshe
what obi o news sports movie ano
and you know right wrap you up now wrap you up
it's that if high profile
yes right what's the players no age na say
under 6 tio
under 6 for no
under 6 under 8 under 10 under 12 13 14 18 19
under 24
you nim say under 18 and 19 omni obebody a.
Was it team their friend saying?
La Liga Academy in Dubai. Eke o search ya the album one no, but search ya ile mo but it seems like Kwame Academy.
And you know, right, say no. And you know, my fancy, and I'm pa, actually, you better to also send me can, you know, any teams, no Ghana Premier League teams, no, you better be a catch it, Kumako, that feels like a fire report in the few or send out Buano, and so it's if I hear. My catchy Ghana Premier League and also able to me as I say, and so and you know, my fancy Kwame Asante. What's in a foreign news from production or Yenina, Samson and the writer commentator, and so Juma Chichester Yama come. DJ Tony, hey, make it sure course no, you get Eddie Gumana Facebook no, YouTube, DJ Ziggy, or heavy pa. Mufanche, if you just see Nino and network, Mufanche, but still, who make sure say Facebook no, and so be to me a tregu. Yanko Poncha Ziggy, baby Samson, hey, Kalamai. And so what the boy controversial mind China or say the proof any evidence beba say you know papa bi yet nyama Ghana football money there and you know China oba e na kwenya no so to me proof na we are seeing na ji usem dey a wo te nka what so what defamation da one ma say wadwane o say the Ghana tie for so say den
ochameba
wadwane and you know executive producer on the show Eyori Akofian some for gender and access head of sports na no Korea Juman Jeff Akufu Boating hey Jeff maybe I will be no oh heavy my mention care we na be so na come and then me am editing me Jeff from me am editing oh Zendra the boy oh editing internet so me am editing so na Kwame Perry the finance and so boy Juma Grachi my men ko na they will jam so no what is ojada Ojirei donzi odi pa ojirei bisia donzi pa ne mama kuma yensa lo se finfin ntino Tony the so bedawa Tony bedawa ntino ye dey see enya me pa echira 1 PM you be sia na fin so no yatumi adejumadi no eso aba medin ene na Kwame Amponsah Addi obetumi afremi AK yes the finest man. Yeah, me wa diamond na but she share ni mu mama matimu ka entino you see na me pa echina ye san subeshia muchum
I